Giant glue trap. Can it catch a human? Did you know the strongest glue can hold a small car? But can it stop a running human? Our team wanted to know, can you scale up a bug trap to catch a person? They tested various store glues, but none were strong enough. Glues were either too runny, dry, or lacking grip. Total flops. Then, a breakthrough. 60 gallons of rodent glue. Now that's some serious stickiness. Made from linseed oil and polyurethane, this glue is hard to escape once you're in. First up is Valerie, ready to sprint and see if she can dodge the trap. And she's off. Watch her try to evade the sticky situation. Oh no! One shoe gone, hands down, she's officially stuck. Valerie exclaimed, "I swear, I couldn't move an inch." Next up is Rachel with her twinkle toes strategy, fast feet, less contact. Here she goes. Will her quick feet save her? Oops, didn't work. I'm stuck like a bug. She says. It's Jesse's turn. He's ready for a big jump. And he leaps. Watch this bold move. Faceplant. That didn't go as planned, but it's hilarious. 3 tests, 3 fails, all totally stuck. What a sight. So, is it possible to build a giant glue trap that can catch a person? Team verdict? Confirmed. This trap works. If you step in this gunk wearing jeans and sneakers, good luck getting out. Love weird, wild science experiments? You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button for more crazy tests from Mind Warp Science. Join us next time as we tackle more sticky science stunts. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep experimenting.